Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install that filter really fast, and then we're gonna go out and have some fun with it. We're gonna do a 0 to 60 and 0 to 100, so let's get going with that project. Alright guys, let's get started here. Here we go. Alright, good old 5.7 HEMI. Now let's see what tools we're gonna need. Looks like nothing, it's just a couple of clamps. Alright guys. There are 1, 2, 3 clips, 4 clips. You pop that up, you pull it out, pull out your old filter and whatnot. It's very simple. I mean, requires no skill to change this at all. Hi guys, I've been driving around a little bit with this filter. I'm almost at operating temperature. Yeah, I'm already like put so far like a 5 or 6 miles or so, and no check engine light, and the truck seems to run fine with it. I don't know, but as far as the filter goes, guys, I'm telling you, if you're looking to upgrade your filter, I mean, this filter, if you keep it, is gonna pay for itself on a long run, you know, because you just simply reuse it, and it's double the price than an OEM filter, which you're gonna have to keep on paying. With this one, you buy the filter and you buy a recharge kit, and if you clean it twice in a couple of years, it's gonna pay for itself, and then you know, you're gonna start saving money. I mean, simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you keep your vehicle for a longer period of time and whatnot, you know. Like I say, over the years, I used to have a lot of K&M filters, AM filters and whatnot, and this is top-notch quality, guys. I mean, it's just as good as, I think it's better constructed than a K&M, tell you the truth. We can make a comparison in a video if you guys want K&M versus this filter, and this filter is much more cleaner around the edges, doesn't have a lot of that rubber bleeding to the filtration surfaces and whatnot. It's a very nice filter. It's made in America. It's a great filter, guys. So I highly recommend it for you guys. I'm gonna put the links down in the description below if you want to check it out and buy one for your vehicle and whatnot. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna be, as usual, the way I conduct this test, I'm gonna be in a 4-wheel drive auto, and I'm gonna come to a dead stop, and I'm just gonna stab it, and then we're gonna put a meter and see if we actually gonna beat our best. I think the best on my this truck is 5.7 or maybe even 5.6, so let's see if we can beat that. By the way, I dropped my camera and I messed up my screen. Great. Okay, we're gonna stop here. I hope we're not gonna get any wheel spin, even though we are in all-wheel drive, and we'll see if we can get just a little preload. And 60. I said 60, but I went to 100, so screw it.